Hello guys, today we're going to be doing every single ammo in Animal Company. Well, we already tried some ammo, but we're going to try all of them this time. Okay, let's go. Okay. I have a lot of things in my backpack, so I'm probably going to be pretty heavy. Oh, I saw that landmine right there. I don't like that landmine. He scares me. Okay. It's probably maybe split up into a couple parts. So yeah. We're gonna need to get a couple key cards. We need like 4. So we need 1, 2, uh-oh. Karen. On a pickaxe. Oh my god. Oh my freaking Karen. Are there any more cards? Someone's already over there. I only have 2. Oh, yes. We're gonna need to come back there and get one more, but I'll do it now. I'm pretty sure we have. I originally had one like in there, but okay, we're here at the machine. Alright. There's a big... Oh, I don't know what to do. Okay. I'm gonna throw that in now. Oh my god, there's a big one. Please don't fall off. Alright, so we have this. Okay. I'm just gonna bring the key card down. Nope. Oh my god! It didn't work. Okay. 1. Is he over there? Alright, got it. I really hope this works. Oh, there he is. Oh. What a nerd. He's camping the keycard thing, bro. Nah, come over here. I need you to come over here. Yeah. He camps. See? Nerd. Did it work? Oh, it did work. Oh, did that scare him? Got a big arrow. Got a big arrow. Really hope those things didn't respawn. Because we need them. What the? Oh. I don't want them to despawn. No! That would have been bad. Oh, it's a light bulb arrow. Did this with my friend once. Didn't go so well. Because it didn't come out. Oh. Wait, did that... What? The key card not... Oh. 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 Oh! Oh my god. It's awful. Put that in. Now I have to put this key card in. Oh. Okay, so didn't work. Oh, yay. No, not in there. I almost forgot that. Full. Okay. That makes an error sound that works. Oh my gosh. Yo. That's cool. Cool, bro. When you see it. Okay, we're gonna put that in the bag. Alright. Well, this kinda worked. Oh, those ones are tiny. Oh, the bag was okay, guys. We have to get like 2 more key cards. Keep forgetting this is even animal company. We're gonna do more part 2. I need 2 key cards. I don't want it right now here. think I'm just gonna go down there and see if we have anything else that to duplicate. Maybe. Oh my god. Jeez, man, that gave me a heart attack, bro. Jeez. Oh no. I'm holy, am I like cracked or what? Ammo here. No! The key card. No! Oh, bum. Oh, don't fall. This is our final one. I really hope this one works because I think it'll look cool. Honestly. Oh yeah, we gotta get the key card. Okay. That and oh. Oh my gosh. No. What the? What? The heck? What the actual? No. Oh, did it go back in the bag? 'Cause I hope it did. I think I'm gonna leave and rejoin, guys. Okay. Oh, that was close. That was like weird. Well, guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. And as always, peace.